Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing my BoxyLuxe for the month of December. I am actually super excited because I've got a few products in there that I'm super excited for. And just to tell you a little bit about Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription for $25 a month. So BoxyLuxe is kind of an upgrade to your Boxycharm box. And I believe you do have to pay a little bit extra, but I will leave everything in the description box below. So go ahead and check it out if you're interested. So the first thing we have in the box is this Boxycharm card, and we get this in our Boxycharm box as well. And this kind of tells you everything that you got in the box. It tells you a little bit about the product, and it also tells you the price of the product. So the first thing in the box is this Fairy Tale Storybooks cosmetic palette, and this is called Little Briar Rose. This palette retails for $55. First off, I really like the packaging. It is really cute. It does look like a book. It is probably not ideal for traveling purposes, but I feel like the product in here is pretty good. I am wearing this on my eyes today, and I feel like they blended out super nicely. I did mess up one of my shadows when I opened it. I kind of dug my finger into it, but they're super soft, so you have to be careful. And I'm kind of upset because that was kind of my favorite shade. You know, that's what I'm wearing on my eyes. I do have a full tutorial on my eye look, and I'm going to post it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me there, go ahead and check it out. The next thing I got in the box was this face cleanser from Fresh, and this retails for $48. I've actually used this before, and I really like it. And it does have like rose water in it, and it does have cucumber extract in it, and it is really good, especially if you have sensitive skin, you know, during the winter time. And this is a really good cleanser. I definitely recommend this to you guys, even if you're not buying the Boxycharm. It does not dry your skin out. It is very gentle on your skin. So I definitely recommend this product. Moving on to our next product, and I'm actually very excited about this. This is the Ciate London Confetti Highlighter. And this retails for $32. And this is what it looks like. It is really pretty. I do like the pigment. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Oh, this is so creamy. This is really nice. I'm actually going to put some on right now. And I'm going to just apply this. Oh, this is so pretty. If you have texture on your skin, I like this kind of product because it will not, bring out your texture. This is really pretty. And as you guys know, I love highlighters, so I'm always excited to get new highlighters. If you're somebody who struggles with texture, this product is probably a really good product for you because the way it just blends is super nice. This is what it looks like, and I feel like this is like super reflective. It is really nice. While I have it on my finger, I'm just going to press it on the inner corner of my eye. I feel like this highlighter is very rich, very creamy. It is very smooth actually. When I applied it, I didn't have to, take my brush back and forth, and I really like it. Moving on to our next product, I have this water cream from Saturday Skin, and this retails for $39. As I'm reading this, it says it has hydrating moss extract from Iceland, which is pretty interesting ingredient. I've not heard that before. So let's open this up. Oh, it's very gel-like. I'm going to take some on my finger and just apply this on the back of my hand. It is very lightweight, and it is definitely hydrating actually. It's really nice. So I'll definitely give that a try. Especially in the wintertime, I feel like I need all the hydration I can get. So this is perfect for that. I got this daily hair towel wrap, and this retails for $18. I actually really like this. Oh, this is a pretty good size. And I feel like this is a really good tool to have. I use it for myself. I use it for my daughter. You know, we both have long hair. And a lot of times the towels are small, so all of the hair doesn't really wrap into it. But this is a pretty good size, so I like it. This actually also says that it reduces frizz and also maintains a healthier hair by cutting time of blow drying. So, which is also nice because I don't really want to use a lot of blow dry, especially for the kids. I don't really want to put too much heat in my daughter's hair yet. You know, you want to keep it healthy. This is actually perfect because you can wrap up your hair, you can do your chores, and especially if you're using it for kids, like I'm using it for my daughter. And I don't really like to use a lot of heat or blow dry in her hair because I want to keep the hair follicle as good as I can, so that's one way to keep it healthy is keep it away from heat. So I really definitely like this. Now the next thing I have is this QMS lip line corrector, and this retails for $200. $200. I am just curious what is in here. It says formulated exclusively for the upper lip area, lip line corrector, targets fine line and wrinkles. I am just curious what this is going to do because $200 is a lot of money. This better work. I don't know what this is actually going to do. I have no idea. I will have to update you guys with this because I have no idea. I've never tried this. I have never tried a product like this, so I will update you guys next month. The next thing I got was this dry oil spray from Green Grass. Now this says it is fast absorbing multi-purpose dry oil. It is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that penetrate and deliver superior quality moisture, leaving skin soft and supple. I personally like dry oils and I use a lot of dry oils for my hair. I'm going to open this up really quick. It says it contains natural botanical ingredients and is free of sulfates and parabens. Don't smell like much. Spray it on the back of my hand. Oh, it smells good. So I have it on the back of my hand. I'm going to give it a few minutes. I just want to see if it's going to be sticky or not. That's kind of how I test out my dry oils. It does smell really, really good. I personally do use a lot of dry oils, and I feel like if a dry oil is very heavy, it can just make your hair look very greasy. I do have a few. I will leave them in the description box below if you're interested in it. And so this has been a few minutes, and it's absorbed pretty nicely. It's not sticky at all, so I really do like it actually. So I will use it during the month and I will update you guys next month. I almost forgot about this product. It is Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick and this is in the shade You Better Work and it retails for $21. I actually really like liquid lipsticks from Too Faced. That's what I'm wearing today. Actually wiped most of it off by now. So let's go ahead and add some on. I really like this color. I feel like this is very long lasting on your lips and it is very comfortable on the lips. So I'm happy about this. I'm glad I got this in my box. Now moving on to our last product, I have this IGK Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. And this retails for $27. I've used products from IGK before. I have not used this particular one, but I have used sprays from IGK and they're pretty good quality. And this one has charcoal, so I'm actually wondering if it has a little bit of a color in there. So this is a powerful dry shampoo that cleanses the oiliest hair and scalp with oil erasing, odor eliminating charcoal powder, allowing you to go even longer between washes. Now, I don't know about going between washes, but I do really like a dry shampoo. A lot of times I will use this dry shampoo just to give it a little bit more volume, even after I have, just freshly washed my hair. It kind of just gives it a little bit texture. So that is a really good tip if you have fine hair like I do. So give it a try. Let me know what you think about it. And that's all the products I have in this BoxyLuxe. I will have all the updates from last month in the description box below. So if you're looking for something, go ahead and check it out. And let's go ahead and do a little total and see what we've spent and what we've saved. So I have products worth $476 and I've paid $50 for this box. I think that's pretty good. I am still shocked by this $200 product. I have to research a little bit more about it. I don't know about this product, so I'm kind of curious about it. And that's really it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, as usual, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I want to say thank you for spending your time with me today, and I will see you next time. Ciao.